Hey CG, I'm Hannah, and we have a special election broadcast for you this week. Jessica Kelly and Bailey Leathers have all the information you need for Tuesday.
On November 8th, the polls will be open for the general election. Because many people are focused on the presidential race, students have had to guess at what's on the rest of the ballot.
Well, you got the governor, then you got the Senate, and then you got the, I don't know, there's a lot of other stuff. Attorney General, that's a thing.
House of Reps.
House Representative, yeah, you gotta vote for them.
Secretary of State.
Secretary of State.
Secretary of Treasury.
Secretary of Treasury.
Secretary of Justice. Speaker of the House.
Speaker of the House. Speaker of the House.
Is that a thing?
Vice President.
Besides presidents, there's going to be, with the Indiana vote, there should be the gubernatorial or governor candidates on there, as well as senators and congressmen.
Probably the mayor and governor.
Some students do know what's on the ballot or are aware of the fact that they don't know and have decided to simply leave some positions blank.
I'm just going to make sure that we don't end up with a crooked president, if I had to be honest with you.
With an expected high voter turnout, many students and teachers have elected to vote early. The benefit of this is being able to inform others of what is on the ballot.
Yes, they ask you a question if you want them to amend the Constitution to add hunting to our Constitution. We have to vote yes or no, and then there's all kinds of offices, school board offices. You don't vote for president and vice president, it's all one thing. Governor of the state, Senate. There weren't very many. And then a few local council people.
Government teacher and Kopi Club advisor Christopher Blackburn believes that voting on the entire ballot is important to the formation of political identity, and it has a direct impact on how our lives are governed.
For example, education. You know, what do you think about education? How do you think education should be different? And so, thinking about those things and finding the right kind of candidate that will that kind of follows the same ideas that you have about what education should be is a part of just one part of political identity. So hopefully by the time students leave here when they graduate, they can go to that voting booth and understand who they are as a person. But the other thing I would add is this: political identity is not stagnant. So you just don't all of a sudden have your political identity and that's who you are politically. My political identity has evolved and changed drastically over the last 20 years.
Whether you choose to vote early, like this Saturday at Mount Pleasant Church, or on Election Day, make sure to do your research on all ballot positions before you head out to the polls.
Today is the last day for the Kopi mock election. Everyone can participate, all students and teachers. Pick up your ballot in the cafeteria to cast your vote. Results will be in next week. And that's all we have for you today, CG. Bye.